In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate data and place empty rows between the data. What do I mean? I have a data set here that has the months of the year and the sales for each of those months. Now, what we want to do is to each month we place a blank row. Next month, then after the next month, we place a blank row. So to do that, of course, the long route would be go one by one, insert, go to another one, insert, but that is very, very inefficient. We need a helper column where we're going to place our values 1 to 3 up to 12 months of the year. Then we need to copy this down again. And after we have done that, we need to sort, highlight everything, go to data, then sort, then by column C. This, when we sort by C, it's going to bring the one up. As it brings the one up, there will be an empty row with the one. So when we say OK, you can see these ones come together. So the one which was down comes up with empty row. Then we have the 2. Then the 2 which was down comes up with an empty row. So this is how you can, after you've done this, of course, you can now delete your helper column and you'll have separated in quick steps your data by blank rows. Now, what we want to achieve is that we have 2 rows, then a space, then another 2 rows of data, a space, and another 2 rows of data and a space. So we are going to do the same for the start. Say 1, 2, drag this down, runs from 1 to 12. Then 2, we say 2, 4, 6. Then we drag this down up to 24. That's perfect. We highlight all our data here. Then we go to data, then sort. It brings this. Now we're going to sort by C. We're going to sort by column C. Then say OK. Now when we do that, you can see we have 2 rows of data, then a space, then 2 rows of data, then a space, 2 rows and a space. So you can vary it depending on what you want. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.